excited today. I have two things from Chanel that I wanted to unbox with you and show you, and there is a little story behind each of the items. I have it right here in this beautiful little bag, so you can see these are kind of an SLGs. I will start with this one. Oh, by the way, one of the items, you guys, look at this. I just have to show you. Still came with the Christmas packaging. I never got a Christmas packaging before because I never got anything. You know, I don't have it like Chanel store, so I never really get a chance to get anything with the Christmas packaging, but there is a story behind it, so I'm gonna share with you in just a sec. But I just have to show you this beautiful Camilla because I'm of course I'm like excited, even though it's February. So anyway, the first item came in this beautiful bag, and to be honest with you guys, I was surprised because I bought it in my city where I live. So there is one place. These are the sunglasses, you can tell. There's one place that actually sells Chanel sunglasses. I think they started to carry Chanel a couple of months ago because I've been there before, maybe sometime in the fall, and I saw a couple of Chanel sunglasses and prescription glasses, like a, you know, like a petition place. Anyway, I got some sunglasses for myself because I got some, you know, money for Christmas, and these sunglasses, this was something that I had on my wish list for a little while. But I was just really surprised that I actually had even a Chanel bag to go with this. So I didn't expect it because usually, you know, they will have like a legit box and everything, but there was just a bonus. So I was like very, very surprised. I was like joking. I came home and I told my husband like, we have a Chanel stall. He was like, you're kidding. But anyway, so here's the box, you guys. There was no ribbon or Camilla. That would be probably too much. So here's the box, and here is the inner box. And if you've got the sunglasses from Chanel before, you probably know that it comes with the little Chanel cleaning cloth. There's also like a booklet, okay? And also Chanel glasses comes with this little pouch, which I really never use. I have one more pair that I got a couple of years ago, but I never really use those pouches. But if you like a soft pouch, it comes with this as well. So this is the beautiful Chanel box. There we go. So this is the nice quilted box, and the glasses that I've got are, I don't really know, you guys. I'm gonna put the exact name of them in the description box. But these are like a brown with beautiful like a leather design on the side, and has this beautiful quilting. And obviously, as you can see, there's a CC right there. Okay, and there's a little bit of like gold, so they are like brown with the gold, I would say, and the other side is exactly the same. And these are the aviator style, pilot style. These are the glasses that really suits my face frame. I also try like very square glasses, and they also look pretty good on me, but I feel like it's maybe too bold of the look. So let me show you these. This is how it looks on me. I think they're very, very pretty, and they give you like this nice kind of brownish tint, and as you can see, it's a little bit dark on the top and a little bit lighter on the bottom. I think it looks really, really nice. So, and they sit very nicely and securely on my face, so I really, really like it. So I tried quite a bunch of them at the store, and these were definitely the one that I like the most. A couple of months ago, I actually looked at the website, and Chanel website had those you know, on sale. And if I'm not mistaken, they also came with the different colors. I think they had like a silver kind of bluish tint to them. I think the leather was like a white. But I've been looking recently, you know, trying to purchase them, and they didn't have them anymore. So they kind of revamped, I think, the whole style, and they had just a few styles of the aviator. So I'm very happy that I was able to find these at the store. So I have my new sunnies for spring and summer, even though it's February. But who cares, right? We can still dream of the sunny nice days. So anyway, I'll put like a code, the numbers in the description box, so if you guys are looking for those. I checked online, unfortunately they don't have those online, but I'm sure you can find them at the stores. So the second item came in this beautiful bag, and like I said before, I'm so excited about the Christmas packaging. So you guys probably familiar with this. It's a very kind of a stiff, it's like a plastic camellia, and has some kind of like a golden silverish, or like a champagne gold, I would say, like it's dipped like in some kind of like a champagne gold. So it's very, very beautiful, and even the ribbon is Christmas ribbon. So here is the little story. I do not have this SLG in my collection yet, so this is something brand new for me, and you gotta believe me guys, I was looking for it for a very, very long time, and I finally found it on the Facebook group. I belong to the it's called the Etsy Chanel Facebook group. They also have one for Louis Vuitton, Dior, I mean, you name it. For all the, you know, designers, they have even Hermes. I mean, everything is there. So I belong to those groups, and there's a lot of people, like, I'll call them like kind of a personal shoppers, who shop and they can get the items that you are looking for, or they just buy it and they try to sell it. So anyway, this lady that I end up purchasing from, she is from Canada, and when I saw this item, this SLG, I was like so excited, and you know, we started exchanging messages, and I was just a little bit on the fence because I didn't want this to be shipped from Canada, because then I'll have to pay customs, then I'm gonna end up paying a lot of, you know, a lot more money for it. But let me show you first what it is, because I'm keeping you in the suspension. So here is, came with all the, you know, the usual booklets, and here's a beautiful velvet pouch. And the item that I've got, you guys, I am so excited, is this is the beautiful cruise, I believe this is from the cruise collection, card holder in the size XL. So this is the one that actually has the Mona Lisa pocket in the back. I was so I was so much looking for this item, you guys. It's been like years since I first saw it. It was like years ago, and I feel like they were just not available anywhere. And it's funny, like I was watching Linda's video from Leo Lion and she recently said that, because she got this card holder in the smaller version, she apparently said in her video that 3 of her associates mentioned that those card holders with the Mona Lisa pocket are only available in the Asia and Europe and possibly in Canada, because this lady was from Canada and she got this in Canada, and she pretty much buys a lot of stuff and she just sells it on Facebook. So because I was on the fence, you guys, I wasn't sure, you know, I didn't really want to have it shipped, and you know, she wouldn't I'll have to pay extra for insurance, you know, the cost would be outrageous. So anyway, she was recently traveling to the US, and I pretty much waited for this item for over a month, and we negotiated a price. I end up paying a retail price, so win-win situation. I mean, she sold it, I got it for the retail price, you know, plus the tax, and she ended up shipping to me from California. So it was actually great because it came within 2 days. But yes, I was waiting for it for quite some time. But you know, if you're not as like me, if you're not afraid, you know, people to ship from overseas, you can go ahead and purchase from, because there's a lot of them on the Facebook group if you're looking for one. But you'll have to pay probably a little bit more on top of, you know, whatever price it is. But if it's true, these kind of card holders are not available in the US, I don't really know. I did try I asked one of my associates from New Orleans, many times if she has this, if she can let me know if she has any color, you know. Just I wanted the one with this beautiful pocket, and she will always say, no, we don't have it, we don't have it, we don't have it. So anyway, I finally have it. I love the color of it. I think it's just beautiful. It's a nice bubble pink. And here's the pocket again, and let me open it and show you guys. So this is the inside. So when you open it, there's a lot of room. Okay, so there's a lot of pockets, and I believe there should be somewhere, yeah, the authenticity card is right there. And it is a 27 series, so this is the newest one pretty much. And as you can see, there's a lot of room in here. I'm gonna remove those cards so you can see it a little bit better, how much room actually it's in here. You can put it's actually like a smaller wallet, to be honest with you, and there's a little slip pocket up front as well. So there is a lot of room in this little guy. So I think I could use it easily as a, you know, wallet. Just to show you guys, this is, I think, from the same collection. So this O case and this card case XL is pretty much the same color, as you can see. It's a very kind of shiny, yeah, it's the same color. It's a very shiny caviar leather, and it's just so cute. It's just so beautiful. Now I have this little collection. Just so you guys can see, this is the comparison with the regular card holder. So as you can see, this one, the pink one, is a lot taller. So this one is the one with no pocket, and I have still like an older style. I think the newer style has this little, this kind of a closure with this little section here. The one that I've got years ago is just straight, but it's pretty much the same. They are all the same inside, but as you can see, there's just no pocket. All right, the lengthwise, it looks like they're the same length. It's just the height, it's much higher because of the, you know, of the pocket, and you can definitely fit a lot more in this little card holder. If you own the zippy, this is how it looks like. Pretty much this one is very similar to the other one that I have. Again, the length will be the same, but obviously this one has a lot of room as well. I have some cards in here, but this one has a lot of room as well. But obviously there's no exterior pocket as you have in here. I am so happy now. I finally got pretty much all the SLGs that I wanted in my collection. I'm kind of content for now with my you know, SLGs, and I really was so much after this pocket, you guys. But if Linda is right, they are not available in the US. But tell me if you know anything about this. Please let me know, because, you know, we might be wrong, but she said it was 3 associates that mentioned the same thing, so I don't know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Thank you so much for all your sweet comments. If you like my videos, if you enjoy my content, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you ring the bell, because with all this YouTube situation, some people just don't see my videos in their feeds. So make sure you ring the bell, so this way you know when my videos are coming. I usually post a video twice a week, on Mondays and Fridays. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you soon.